Two men have been charged with unlawful wounding and malicious destruction of property following a dangerous road rage incident in Islington, St. Mary on Tuesday. A taxi operator and his passenger received multiple chop wounds during the incident. Javon Phillips and Tony Lynn Blackburn were charged for the incident. Investigators also revealed that both accused persons had outstanding warrants. Reports are that on Tuesday, May 5, 2026, two complainants were traveling from Anata Bay towards Islington when an altercation developed involving occupants of a gray Subaru motorcar. During the incident, a 29-year-old taxi operator sustained injuries to his wrist and head, while his 65-year-old passenger received multiple chop wounds. Both victims were treated at hospital and later released. In the meantime, the St. Mary police are encouraging members of the public to practice conflict resolution and exercise patience and restraint when faced with disputes or disagreements.